Just leave it. If it's not broke, don't fix it. I have a piece of hair somewhere and I can't find it every time.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And today I'm going to give you all of this goodness, this Vlogmas makeup look for Christmas. It's going to be a Christmas inspired makeup look, and one of my Vlogmas days. I don't even know which one, but I am so excited for you to see it. I have a piece of hair somewhere and I can't find it every time. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, just let me know. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, I'm back. And we officially have our nails done. Look at them. These Impress nails are literally impressive. Okay, so I gotta do a quick face because it's like 1:45. Probably got like 20 minutes. I was gonna do like a red lip. I don't know if I still am gonna do that. I might. I feel like I should do it still. So let's do that. So I'm gonna just prime my face with this e.l.f. Primer. And that, I have been only using that. I feel like I haven't really used anything else lately. Just really that one. So we're gonna prime our face real quick. I'm trying to think of which one I'm gonna wear. Maybe let's use Radiant Glow is good too. I think I'm gonna just use my Makeup Forever HD foundation today. Feeling like that's the mood that I'm in. So I washed my face. I feel like it looks a little bit better. My lips are so dry, it just doesn't, it's actually ridiculous. So let's just put some Laneige on my lips real quick, so that's better. And I'm gonna put on some of my foundation, and I'm gonna just squirt this on my face. So this nails by Impress or whatever, they're Kiss nails, and they have like the I don't even know what it's called. Whatever it's called, they're amazing. Yes, baby, I'm fine, thank you. All right, so I'm just gonna put this on my face real quick. Gonna do a quick beat. I was gonna do a Christmas beat, and I don't know, because we're on our way to a party, if that's what I'm gonna do or not. And I should have probably said, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, all that kind of stuff. What's on my face right now? I didn't even say like welcome you guys, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And we're on our way to a Christmas party for our friends, and it's real early too, like 3 o'clock. So I don't know how long we're gonna be there. Probably hours, you know, probably a few hours. I did a face mask, so if you guys saw my skin before, you would have seen it was a little bit rougher, but now it's like a little softer because I did my skin routine. I just put on like that Origin face mask, so that was real quick. And now I'm gonna do, I said I want to do a makeup like Christmassy look, so let's see what this looks like. I think I'm gonna wear a red lip and quick little pretty face and go from there. What is that on the side of my face? I don't know what that is. Maybe glue? I don't know. Make sure I don't have anything on the sides, and then let's do the under eye. So you know I don't have my stuff ready. I was watching Brianna Fox makeup, and I actually love watching her. I think she's such a good like makeup artist and YouTuber, and she did this like pretty subtle look. I don't know if I'm gonna do like it's cold makeup, that trend that's been going around, or if I'm gonna do the makeup where it's just like a Christmas look. So I mean, my makeup videos, I used to love doing makeup videos, but now it's different because I feel like nobody really watches them. So if y'all aren't really watching them, I feel like there's no purpose to me creating it because y'all don't really want to see it. But I used to love doing my makeup, and that kind of like faded out, but I still love to have my face beat and looking like real good. Yeah, so I'm gonna just do this real quick, and then I'm trying to think of, now I have this what is it, ColourPop stuff I used to wear all the time, And if I want to do my face like the way I'm thinking, it's going to be a quick beat, but it's going to look real pretty. And it's going to be Christmassy. So, Christmas makeup for you guys. So with this, you just make sure that you press out the makeup real good. And I'm using a mirror that's like further away from me. And I need to use one that's closer so I could actually see what's happening. Yeah, like that. And then I'm gonna do, I want to use one that's lighter than me. Sorry if y'all hear Jonathan upstairs. She's doing the absolute most today. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. And I think the look I'm gonna go for is gonna be like a subtle, glowy look. My lashes, I think, are gonna be my dramatic lashes. Just using, I'm not really explaining the products. I'm kind of just doing something pretty subtle. So I put that there. I'm gonna let that dry for a minute and then I'm gonna move on. So for my cheeks, I'm just gonna use this. This is Rare Beauty. I usually put this on something else because this is so pigmented and I don't necessarily want this on my face, like directly. You can though, you can put it on your face. I've been seeing like girls put it on their face, but this is like the pink that I want. I put it on my nose and go across my cheek too, so both. And I just think it looks so beautiful and like subtle. So put this there, blend it. Don't worry y'all, if I'm looking like Rudolph a little bit, it's gonna blend all out and look so pretty like across the face. So that's that. So now, you know what I can't find, y'all? I have MAC cherry lip stuff and I'm gonna use that today. I think I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna go in with my Sephora brush and I'm just gonna pat this into my skin real good. And I pray it doesn't look too bright. Like I'm having an issue with like under eye brightness. Not being bad, but just like being a lot. So I want to make sure it's not too much. So I'm gonna go in and just pat this into my skin real good. And it's looking good on the viewfinder, so this probably means it'll look good on the camera too, which is good. Just do that. And once that's done, kind of taking it down to the blush. You guys have known like that's been like the look lately. And then you see how I have this crease? I'm gonna make sure I fill that in real good today because I don't want to have under eye bags. So definitely blending everything in real good. And then I'm gonna actually contour my face pretty good too. I wonder where my MAC contour palette is. That's like back in the day, but I gotta find that because I feel like I want to use that. Guys, my nails look so good. For them to be press-ons real quick, I was just like, let me hurry up and do my nails so I could at least have my nails done and I will look cute. So that is done. Press that into my face real quick. I'm gonna contour my nose. I don't mind using black Opal. The only issue that I have is that it's a little dark. So if I could find my MAC piece of hair or something, I can't get it off. Ooh, get it off. Okay, only thing is like it's a little dark, so I wanna just be careful. Just use it lightly, like a light hand for this contour. Because I don't wanna be like too dark for my face. And I feel like I've noticed that sometimes it's too dark for your face. So do like that. And you can see like my contour for my nose. I'm gonna go in with a bronzer real quick. And it's just gonna be my Juvia's Place. I'm really gonna use like 2-3 colors on my eyes. So this right here, dip it in both and just put it on my lids. I'm not even putting nothing else on there. I didn't even prime my face. I probably should have primed my eyes. Put this on real quick. And then I'm gonna take ColourPop, which back in the day, throwback. Gonna take ColourPop and I'm gonna put that on my lid. So it'll be like a sparkly, pretty color. I don't want it to be too pop outish, so let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna try to press it in, or actually I could take glitter glue, and if I want it to stick, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I found, this is ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Amaze. That's what I'm gonna put on my eyes, but I'm gonna first put on glitter glue. Just taking a flat brush and putting this on my eyes. I haven't used this in a long time. I haven't done my makeup in a long time. So, take that. Ugh, I can't believe I'm using eyeshadow. It's broken all up, so I pray it's like literally broke. Let's see what that looks like. Should look pretty good. Oh yeah. Because for a Christmas look, you want it to be like sparkly, but not too much. Oh, that looks so pretty, y'all. It's pretty without giving too much. Okay, so that's that. And I'm gonna go to the other eye, other side, do the same thing. And like this real quick. And then take, I haven't used glitter glue in so long. Like I haven't done makeup in so long. And then take that side, dip it in, and pat this on. Perfect. And it looks so pretty, so subtle. So that's done. And this is what I'm looking like so far. I'm gonna go back in and just deepen up this crease area a little bit, just a tad bit. And then I'm just gonna put on some shadow. So in the corners, I'm gonna put a little bit bright white in the corners and like bring it down to my waterline like that. And that's gonna be that. I have two types of eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna just stick with the regular one. I have glue on my fingers. I'm trying to like get it off. I'm gonna take this, line my eyes real quick. So that's that. I'm gonna get my lashes. Let me put on some lash glue. Okay, so I never set my under eye. Hold on, because I'm about to be crazy as heck. So I'm gonna set my under eye real quick with this, which is my Morphe. Hopefully I don't look too yellow, so I'm gonna not use as much as I've been using. But I wanna make sure I set underneath that crease good. Yeah, see? Like this crease area, I wanna really set that, because I don't want any creases like that. So like those two areas, I'm gonna set real good. See? Yeah, I want all my bags. I want my bags to disappear, okay? I want them to be gone. So I'm gonna push that into my face real good, and that looks good. Then I'm gonna redo my nose contour. Just redo real quick. Go. So that's done. Let me go get my lashes and I'm gonna put those on and I'll be right back. I didn't eat anything all day and I'm like kind of hungry. I like how my face looks when it's powdered, but then like the forehead area just looks weird to me because it's like not powdered. Oh, I got 1 minute on this memory card. Okay. Okay, they are in a box, but not mine, not my boxes. All right, so I'm gonna use these. I'll be right back. I gotta get another memory card. I'm gonna put my lashes on in the meantime, and I'll check with you in a second. I'm not sure why my battery is saying 83%, but it's attached to the wall. So it's weird. I'm just gonna put on some stuff to take off whatever makeup is on my nails, because I don't want that on these nice, pretty white, bright nails. I'm gonna do my brows real quick. I could have probably done my brows off camera. And my brows are pretty much done. Take my huge fluffy brush. Oops. I really wish I could find my red. And I'm gonna put this on. I didn't even put contour on, y'all, but I'm going to. Go back in with the blush and a contour, so don't worry. Go back in with this. I'm debating on whether or not I want to wear red lips, y'all. Like I want to wear red lips and then I don't, so I don't know what to do. Just clean that up real quick on the sides. So it's like a little snatch nose. Brows look good. Now, what I'm gonna do for my inner corner, I'm gonna take this oldie but goodie Jackie Aina palette. It's not really old either. Yeah, it's a little old. I'm gonna go in with the color Trust Issues, and has like, mine has blue stuff in it. Why? I don't know. I'm gonna put this at the bottom of my lash. Like drag it in. Trust Issues, bottom, drag it in. It has like a hint of gold in it. I don't know. Should be white, but I think this is dipped in something else and it's coming out gold. Okay, like that. So it's like bright under eye. And then I think, actually, let me top it off with ginger and credit and put those on the corners, on the inner, like this, like that. I went in there with, it's like 2 dark brown colors. Oh my God, this palette is so bad. So I'm just using ginger and credit. Okay, those 2 colors, that's it. Ginger and credit, and I'm going in and blending it in at the bottom. And then blending it in here. Trust issues is supposed to be white. Why is it coming off as that color? I don't know, but I want to try to get to the white. So I don't recommend this. I like took a brush and like got to the white part. See if that makes a difference. Yeah, it should be a white fluorescent color. So I want that color. No, but it's coming off gold. Just leave it. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Then I'm gonna go in with this color. This is like a neutral color, and I'm gonna line my waterline real quick. So trick that Mena taught me, you pull this down and then you line your waterline. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. Waterline lined. Okay, and that's done. So now my whole face is done pretty much. And I do like the gold, but I definitely wanted a white. Like I definitely wanted white in that corner. I don't know. I know I got mad palettes too. But it's fine. This will do for today. It's not going to be bad. It's good still. So what I'm going to do now is spray my face. Actually, I'm going to take off my bonnet and do my hair. And I'm going to come back when my hair is done and do my lips. And then we are fully finished with my hair makeup outfit. But this is only for makeup. Y'all got to go to my get ready with me for the other thing to see the rest. So I'll be right back after I take these out with my chocolate brown hair. Be back. I have this NARS in this red color. I'm gonna put this on first. Then I'm gonna go upstairs because I forgot other things upstairs. And this is like a bright red. This is not it, but let me go get out of it. Oh my god, this red lip is lipping. I haven't used Stila before. Wow, this red is bright. Y'all, I don't know if I love this lip. All right, so this is the lip. I think I'm gonna go in with a darker color. I think I'm gonna go in with Night Moth and just make it a little bit more like dark, because this is nice, but I feel like it's too bright. So all right, y'all. So this is gonna complete the look, I guess. I'm gonna spray my face, and then I'm gonna take the blue beauty blender. I have a piece of hair somewhere. And I'm gonna clean it up. Then to get my makeup to stay all day. This stuff is like hairspray. Oh my god. That's it, y'all. That's it, y'all. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. Right now I'm about to put my moles on my face real quick. Hold on. Alright guys, I gotta go. We gotta get ready to go to a party. So I will flip over to my vlogging camera and I will talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.